How you doing? So I'm just editing the video you're about to watch. Lovely here, Premiere Pro, wow. This was basically supposed to be a long exposure video where I actually go around and teach how to do long exposures and stuff like that, but it started pissing it down with rain. I literally drove an hour and a half to this event. It started pissing it down with rain within 5 minutes of getting there, and I was like... So I just did a POV instead. I still got some good shots. There's raindrops everywhere, there's really old school classic cars, and it's just a cool little shoot. It's not too long, but I got some good shots, so hopefully you still enjoy. Also, presets are in the first link in the description if you like the way these photos look. That's what I edit them with. Other than that, enjoy the video, and I'll see you in a bit. While these headlights are on, let's try to get one of this. I'm going to put the flexi spot on as well for focus mode, just because that gives me control of where I want it, because at night it finds it quite hard to find the focus point. Let's try to get the headlight of the VW. It's really nice. I wonder if I can get anything in the mirror. Maybe I can just get the raindrops. And let's try go for the headlight. Let's go more of a centre. Oh no, we'll keep it on the side actually. Check me out not putting the photo in the centre of the frame. It's unlike me. It's like a three-wheeler. Very nice. Damn it. It's autofocus again. I really want to stand on that wooden post, but it's really slipping. If I fall over in front of everyone, I think I will cry. Let's bring the flexi spot down. That might be a really good thumbnail. I really want to step on this. That's too slippy. I'm going to fall over if I step on that. Yeah, I'm going to fall over. I ain't doing that. Shots just look a lot better from above. I'm going to do one more sideways one of the car. Just bring the flexi spot down, bottom right. Yeah, that'll do. Ooh, look at the back of this. Damn it. Please park up. Yeah, he is. I want to get the back tail lights of this car. Gotcha. Now I'm going to get the back. This could be the thumbnail. It's really nice. Try to get there. Almost smells like a motorbike. Love the exhaust on it and the tail lights. It's a Civic, but it kind of looks like a.
Doing it right when that happens, right?
This could be another thumbnail right here. Let's try to get one further down from above. Boom. Got it. Oh. Mate, I'm telling you, the tables are the way forward.
Sketch again on that.
Oh, I can see the gauges. That's a sick shot through there, through the gauge. Let's try to get the front headlights. Bam. Such a nice set of headlights. Bosh, bosh, bosh. What else we got?
I've got a surprise for you. I can want myself. Should have been a new bumper, so he can't.
Oh, the headlights are on the Beetle. See if the rear lights are on. Yes, they are. Kind of. Not really. Let's try to get the back shut. Nearly. Let's head around the back because there's some more stuff down here that I didn't actually do at the start. I wasn't warm, which sounds crazy, but it's true. You're not actually fully warm when you first start because you're still a bit easing yourself into it. Now I'm all fucking warmed up. Us. I can get some better photos. And I want to get a wide shot through these trees. What's just turned up? A Subaru! Nice. Always a convoy. I love it when the convoys come in. I love it when the convoys come in. Let's see. That's too wide. Love it. See if we can get like a cool half in the dark, half glowing up by the tree. This could be another potential thumbnailer. I actually think someone's in the car. It's kind of awkward. It's just nice, the wing. The wing's just hidden away nicely. The polarizer always does this. I put it on and then when I turn the polarizer, it just fucking takes it off and unloosens it, and I'm like, well, that's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted to do, was it? Also, a little tip as well. When you're shooting something, like you think you found the angle and you're taking the picture, but don't just leave it there. See if you can take 2 more different angles of that same picture. So like I was just getting the Lexus sign here. I was alright with it. I was about to walk away. But if I just took 1 more step around here, it's a completely different shot of the same angle, and it actually looks a lot better. So just take your time. Don't just get the shot and be like, nah, it's a shit shot. See ya. Have a look round and try a different angle with the same position and see if you can find a different shot. Do you mind if I just get a back shot from here? Thank you. Got it. Got the shot. Johnny, how you doing? Yeah, not too bad.
Nice to see
It's
you.
funny, I've seen you since I made my first little YouTube video in London.
We saw each other in London, didn't
Doing
we?
that little green...
A bit California too.
Yeah, that's funny. How you been?
Yeah, good.
Been busy? I saw on your Instagram you've been all over the place. Right, anyway, I'm gonna head out. I'll see you later. So that was Johnny. I'll put his Instagram on the screen now. He is a very good photographer. And I have followed it. I met him, if you watch my first ever YouTube video, if you're that dedicated to this channel. Oh, here's his car. Let's shoot his car. If you're that dedicated to the channel, my first ever YouTube video was a POV in London. And I bumped into him. We were both shooting a Ferrari, like a green one that was just parked out. It was just so random. And yeah, I was shooting his car. No, I was shooting the Ferrari, and then he was there as well. So I met him, added him on Instagram. Turns out he's like big time photographer, like full on, flying all these places, taking photos everywhere. He's got all these followers. He's doing very well. And yeah, that was the. Since I've met him, I've obviously been grinding away at this YouTube. And well, yeah, now I've met him again, so that's it really. It's the end of the story. It's not really that deep, but it's just good to see him, I guess. But anyway, I'm going to end the video there because everyone has left because it was pissing down with rain and no one wanted to be here. So it's a bit dead now. I've got the photos I wanted. Wasn't the video I planned for. It was supposed to be a long exposure video, but we still got some good shots, hopefully, in the rain with the 16 to 28. So yeah, if you enjoyed all the presets that were... Oh wow, I can't even sell my own presets. All the photos you saw in this video were edited with my Lightroom presets. First link in the description if you want to check them out, if you give a shit. If not, then yeah, I'll see you in the next video. So goodbye.